Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Times design team project. And I'm going to start out with this Frosty Friends Ephemera. And these are so cute. And of course I added a little bit of sparkle on mine. So if you haven't picked these up, make sure you do. These are so cute. I'm also using the Coffee Frames Charm Dies. I am just using this, and I'm using it as a tag. I'm also using Cozy Holiday Wishes, and I want to say I'm using Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas, but I'm not definite. Oh, and I'm also using the to and from there too. And then these are currently out of stock, but I had some of the little inserts left over from when I was crafting for the release, and so I thought I would use those, but they'll be back soon. And here are my adorable little tags. I love it. I am always a person who loves tags, and so I was just like, what can I use for a tag? And that's when I went reaching for her coffee frame dies, and I thought I would use those, and they turned out just too cute. Now the top layers on each one of these, except for these little snowflakes, are from her ephemera pack, so you'll get the sentiment in there and all of the other little goodies. And so this time I thought I would use Rudolph on there with the little Santa bag and the little Christmas tree in the back, and hopefully you can see all that sparkle. And I added some on the little star as well, and then I added some gems there. Put a little garment pin with some jingle bells on there, and then I also finished the back side, which is where you'll find the to and from and Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas. So the backs of them look exactly the same, but the fronts of the tags are what's different. So I thought those are just too cute and so perfect for a tag on your Christmas presents. So make sure you try this and pull those out. They are just perfect and just the cutest. Now on this I did add sparkle all around too, and I also added a little gem in the inside of the snowflakes. Oh, just too cute. I love those. And then there goes the last one, the little reindeer, the little guy with the little, or the little girl with the little reindeer and a little present. Oh, just the cutest. I love these. There goes the back of that one. But just too cute. I'm going to be excited to use these on the Christmas presents this year. So make sure you pick up some of those if you don't have them in your stash already. Don't forget to pick up this little coffee die set. I just love it. All right, so that's all I have for you. Make sure if you would like to go shopping over at Mag Creative Time, you can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or any one of the designers, and then also on release weekends is 15% off. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.